Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here is a ta-da video that I have gathered. Yes, I bought a cone, a bobbin of mohair yarn, and it was about a kilogram, but I only used a half. I thought I wasn't going to have enough. I was just panicking. So I ordered cashmere and Angora rabbit yarn to give that a little bit softness, but still you can feel the mohair when you're wearing it. It's super warm, like it's minus outside. And I made a hat with the leftover yarn, and I do have a little bit left, so I'm planning to knit socks with them, boucle socks. For the hat, I did double, and I double strand the yarn. It's the bucket hat. I do have the tutorial. You are welcome to go and check it. It's my latest video, and just love it how it turned out. I added beautiful crystal 10 buttons, and it's just a show off, but yeah, you can definitely button it. This will fit up to extra large. As you can see, it's not fitting me, but the body is fitting perfect. It's just the front, and this is the back. Just love it how it ended up. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.